Alexandra hoisted on his shoulder. They slipped between the centuries of the heart, upheld by the simplicities of pleasure. They gained the light, they formlessly entwined, and radiant beyond your widest measure. They fall among the voices and the wine. It's not a trick, your senses all deceiving. A fitful dream, the morning will exhaust. Say goodbye to Alexandra leaving. Then say goodbye to Alexandra lost. Even though she sleeps upon your satin, even though she wakes you with a kiss, do not say the moment was imagined. Do not stoop to strategies like this. As someone long prepared for this to happen, go firmly to the window, drink it in. Exquisite music, Alexandra laughing. Your first commitment, tangible again. And you who had the honor of her evening, and by that honor had your own restored. Say goodbye to Alexandra leaving. Alexandra leaving with her Lord. Even though she sleeps upon your satin, even though she wakes you with a kiss, do not say the moment was imagined. Do not stoop to strategies like this. As someone long prepared for the occasion, in full command of every plan you write. Do not choose a coward's explanation that hides behind the cause and the effect. And you who are bewildered by a meaning whose code was broken, crucifix uncrossed. Say goodbye to Alexandra leaving. Then say goodbye to Alexandra lost. Say goodbye to Alexandra.